Xera, Xera, lighting up the world, we stand as one. Xera, Xera, changing lives. In the heart of the night, we ignite the lights, our eyes calling. Hear the thunder, feel the might. Together we rise, and the challenges we thrive, turning dreams into reality. We're alive. Xera, we are the movement, we are the tide, changing lives. In Xera we unite, through the highs and lows we ride. Xera with us, feel the pride. Every face, every voice, in Xera finds a choice. In unity we find strength, in action rejoice. We are the wave of change, the future is bright. With Xera's flames we light up the night. Xera, we are the movement, we are the tide, changing lives. In Xera we unite, through the highs and lows we ride. Xera with us, feel the pride. Xera, we are the movement, we are the tide, changing lives. In Xera we unite, through the highs and lows we ride. Xera with us, feel the pride.
Gianluca, big thank you for this introduction. And of course, also from my side, a big welcome to this first Zoom call today. So it's unbelievable. So we can see the interest is massive all over the world because something huge is starting. And we will also see it, of course, during the presentation. This is bigger than everyone could expect because a lot of preparation were done, fantastic product providers, and everything would have to be in place. So from my point of view, it's an absolutely masterpiece. Yeah? And so today, global call, February 15th of 2024. And like Gianluca have said, it is the first call of the day. So that means right to the start, we have to do already now 2 calls a day for a global Zoom, because I also want to respect, of course, the different time zones. And then you just see how many thousands of people are already in this call now during the day. Of course, depends on the time zones where we are. It's already evening, it's morning, but on this first call today, already thousands are in, and still people are joining and joining. So this will outperform everything what everybody have seen ever in this industry. And so we can be very thankful, very proud that we all can be part of that. So before we're going on, of course, there have to be, of course, in place the disclaimer. So like it is all the time that there is something with huge potential, there's all the time also other sides. So everyone should decide for himself in his own serenity. It's good, it's not good. So this is also the way to go, to come back to own serenity, specifically when you have the interest to build up something, to build up a business, to build up a community. So it's on everyone by themselves to have a look, is this the right thing for me? But I can say already something like that nobody have seen before, because everything is set together on the highest scale possible. And this is also the reason why Xera, together with its service providers, have the potential to set completely new standards in the whole industry. And for that reason, our vision is very, very clear, to go to number one. And this is not just say it, not just a sentence, not just a phrase. This will exactly happen this way. And everyone who has a little bit a deeper look how it's done will understand that this is the way we go. And of course, for everyone here in the call who have also big plans in life and want to come to a better personal situation, possibly want to reach financial freedom, of course, have to do all the time with own activity, have the real potential to do so. And I think that's absolutely great news. So congratulations to everyone who is in the call today. And of course, also congratulations to the millions of people which will join us in these next weeks, months, and years. Because, like I said before, we can be very happy because everything is set up like I think no company was able to do that before in this scale to the start. So Xera Group International, what we want to do is we want to support people to keep or increase the buying power. So this is in times like that something what is nearly important for everyone, because possibly everyone have recognized the world is changing and not in all parts to the better, let us say, on this nice way. So a lot of people are searching for solutions. And possibly you can remember back when you was purchasing in a supermarket 20 years ago, 15 years ago, groceries, what you have got for $100. And now look today what you get for $100. So this means losing buying power. And this is something which is affecting basically everyone. So when there is a solution out there, a real solution, then of course, this have the potential to go in the millions of users when there is something which really can change the things to the better. Then of course, the other thing which is important, keep control of your own assets. So that means also in this part out there in the world, it's getting more and more difficult. And a lot of people start to understand that also this serenity, this part of serenity is crucial, specifically for the upcoming next years, I think so. And when there's a solution in place, then a lot of people start to understand that this is something to go for. And of course, a lot of people out there searching for a second income. Few people have already a second, a third, a fourth income, and it's still not enough. It's still not enough to have a good life for their own family, for the children, to put them on the right schools, that you really have the right setting for their life. So when there is a solution, a real solution, then you can assume what is possible with that. And for that reason, our vision is very clear. Vision is number one. Go to number one, show what is possible in this industry, and of course, with the right setting, with the right people. And we are starting strong. As Xera, I think this is the strongest start ever done in the whole industry. So a community already of 2.2 million people, and the next ones are already in preparation. So we will grow so fast and so big that the whole industry have to have a look on it. So what is that? And a lot of them will understand this is something to go for. Yeah. So that means also, of course, when you start this way, everything have to be built up and prepared correctly and in the right direction. So for that reason, the Xera representative office is set up in Dubai, in the Ubora Tower, so a very prestigious location, 1,500 square meters of meeting rooms and offices. So that means when you would like to visit us in Dubai, you're welcomed anytime for a coffee, for a talk, whatever. So welcome anytime, but of course, let us know first before you're coming, because when a few thousand people on the same day have the same idea to visit the Xera community office, then of course, also still with this 1,500 square meters, it could get too small. So that means you are welcomed, have a look, visit us, touch it, speak with the people there and see on which level this all is done. So, and of course, the main reason why Xera have the potential to go to number one is the market sectors where we are operating in. So that means one side is hardware and software solutions, other side possibly the biggest industry of the next century is blockchain and tokenization of real world projects. And of course, what we are using to bring these solutions out to the world, to the people, is affiliate marketing and direct sales. So this also is a huge industry by itself. And when you have combined all this on this level, how we have prepared it, then of course, there is no limit anymore. And I think it's important for everyone to understand that this will go in a massive direction. So, and one of these reasons, of course, are also our service providers. We have on one side Layerk. So they have prepared over years a revolutionary 360-degree ecosystem, fully decentralized, blockchain-based, own blockchain, own smart chain. Swap is already activated. To the end of the year, the first real decentralized exchange will come to the market, done in a way like never done before, which will offer the possibility, first time in history, that smart contracts can be done between different blockchains, plus. So that means unbelievable solutions, a single sign-on solution, which is also something where millions of people would go for. when a solution like that is in place, and it is in place with Layerk. And then, of course, we have one of the first crypto-native digital banks as service provider on board, something where I think everyone worldwide, which have something to do with blockchain, is searching for. So only this is already enough to get millions over millions over millions of people interested on that what Xera have to offer. That means Xera operates like a marketplace, have service providers, and in this marketplace, Amazon is also a marketplace, but of course a completely different one. So Xera is very future-oriented, future-oriented products, and this is already something which is, how to say, a brainer, absolutely brainer. So to have this bridge between the old traditional financial worlds and to the new technologies, to blockchain and crypto solutions. So this bridge between on both sides, fiat to crypto, crypto to fiat. So this is already something where, how to say, potential is nearly unlimited when you have something like that in place. And the third one, and this, of course, I don't want to speak too much about it now, because this you will see very well and very, how to say, settled explained today in this call. This is Quantwise, artificial intelligence-based software. And this software, we will see it later on, what this software is doing. It's mind-blowing. When you have all of those things together, these are the main service providers, plus a lot of other things which are in preparation. Then, of course, you can assume what you can make out of that. And it's not just a physical home, what we have with our representative office in Dubai. There's also, of course, a digital home, an exceptional platform which can be entered with the single sign-on solution, doaccess.io. And in this platform, of course, are different parts inside, like Xera, like key mall, like key minting, Layerk, and a lot of things which will follow also in the next weeks and months. So it's growing, the infrastructure is expanding permanently, and this, of course, makes it very interesting out there. So, and today, of course, like Jean-Luc has said that already in the beginning, is a historical day. So we should celebrate. I hope you are celebrating already, because with the starts of Key Mall is basically also the operational starts of Xera. So this is something where so many people was waiting on that over the last few weeks, because now it's starting. And for that, in addition, a massive promotion was activated. So that means to have the platform membership, this is €39, inclusive, of course, the KYC process, what everyone have to do. And but to do that, everyone is getting additionally rewarded. So everyone is getting a free incentive. So that means of a value of €110, a free license, which allows you to lock to this license the base token, which is driving the infrastructure. So basically the infrastructure token, this is CLFI. So that means you have the possibility to go out on the exchanges where CLFI is listed already, locked it to the license and enjoy the minting results. So that means €39 for the membership and the KYC, and the first 10,000 users which are doing that, they are getting this free incentive on top. I think that's a fantastic deal. So not miss it out. And of course, last time few people have asked me if it will be a counter in the back office that we see that, how many of these incentives are still in place. No, so I think it's not needed, because it will go like that. It will go like that. So not miss that out to get your incentive. And this incentive, of course, like I said before, opens the possibility to enjoy minting rewards. So this is very simple process. You have, based on this incentive, of course, your license. You purchase token, CLFI token on the market. You see also on which exchanges this CLFI token is listed already. So quite a great choice where you could go to do that. And then you link this token to the license, to your machine, and you have the possibility to enjoy minting results. So very, very simple. And so that means it's not just a free license in this incentive. It's also, of course, when you're doing then the token linking to your license, to the software, then you enjoy additionally minting rewards. And this, of course, is, like the word is saying already, very rewarding. So, means Key Mall goes live today. So celebrate it, enjoy it, because this is the start, the operational start of Xera. And when you join, of course, and they have a look on this platform, how it's made, how it's done, and also, of course, on the Key Mall, then you will see and recognize in the first moment this is done on the way, like a lot of people would look for, are able to do it this way. So it looks just fantastic, very simple, and to use, high usability, and very, very easy to duplicate and to bring these services, these products into the world, into the market, real solutions for everyone out there. So when exactly Key Mall goes live, it's happening today, and it will happen in the evening, Dubai time. So why is here not stated an exact time? So this is a technical activation. So that means you cannot say that on the second, but it's happening today. And of course, in the moment it's happening, then of course, we will communicate it through the Xera Telegram channels. And so stay tuned. And then of course, log in to the 39, get your incentive, lock your tokens, and have already to the start a fantastic foundation to keep on and to build up here something spectacular. So, but now, of course, I want to give over to a person where I'm, how to say, since I've seen him first time, I'm deeply impressed, because what they have built it up over so many years, what they have prepared, is for me unbelievable. And of course, he will explain a little bit how they have done it, how much, how to say, in this preparation, how much effort they have made to put this together, that these results can be reached, what this software is doing. And so I just want to give over in deepest respect what you can have for these efforts, what these men have done together, of course, with a huge team, which is working with him together, and so many years and so many, how to say, massive proven success over the last around 3 years. And so we just can be proud and be happy that this is one of our service providers for Xera. So for that reason, a very, very, very warm welcome to Nicola Sindaco, CEO of Quantwise.
Hi, Werner. Can you see me? Oh, just a second. It should be, yes.
Perfect.
How are you?
Perfect. Thank you, thank you. Great that you're with us. Thank you.
Great, great. Thank you very much. And as always, thank you for having me, for the opportunity to presenting what has been a passion project, actually. Quantwise has been the answer that we were looking for, me and a group of friends, that we all were having a question. The question was, why not everybody can be successful at trading? How many people do you know that actually trade and lose money? How many in crypto particularly, they trade and lose money? So we were asking, we have been fortunate enough to run bull run after bull run. So how can we make this happen for other people as well? So here came the idea about what is the actual problem? What is that we want to solve? Well, the problem is that the majority of people does not have enough time to study, time to prepare themselves, time to dig in, and they only use emotions. But even top traders in the world, if they would use only emotions, they would fail. And here comes our idea. So what is actually Quantwise? Quantwise, if we can, yes, please, thank you. So Quantwise is a crypto learning and copy trading platform. Now, both parts are very essential, are very important. The learning side means we have 200 plus hours of videos that people can actually dig in to build their own knowledge. But selected videos, not random. So you can actually go there, check, and learn what you require for your own trading experience. But at the same time, our full information, like the crypto insights that you will find in the platform, the new currency updates, and the long-term recommendations will all be extracted and compressed into 2 reports that we write. One report is the Token Sentinel, and it's our, let's say, it's the secret sauce of Quantwise learning ability. It's what we believe to be the next 30x, 40x, 50x token that people should monitor. They should keep on their radar. And at the same time, we have also the asset mentor. So what we consider being the most important token to have or coins to have in your own portfolio. These kind of reports, they are not man-made. These reports are AI generated. Now think about it. We as a company decided to invest in AI because what AI can do in a few seconds, it would take a human being a master degree in university to have that kind of knowledge. You can get this much of computing power that in our platform is actually generated thanks to the use of the Tesla NVIDIA A100, so 40 giga per second computational power. That's where we get our data and how we actually get all the information. We extract, decipher, and find the light at the end of the tunnel, a tunnel full of random information. AI can do for us what usually top algorithms they are doing already in the war rooms of the big trading firm, of the hedge funds, of the investment banks. So thanks to AI, we can destroy the cost of these master traders, these PhD guys that literally you need a guy with a master degree in astrophysics working in a bank. I don't know if you're familiar with the movie like Merging Call or something, but you can get, thanks to AI and thanks to these investments in the processors, you can get that type of knowledge now available to you to be distributed to also the 99%, not only to top traders and deep pockets. So this kind of activity will guarantee that the global news, the trending updates that you are going to receive are always top-notch information, segregated, extracted, providing what the market sentiment is, what the fundamentals of a token, of a coin are, and extrapolated all the data, and you will get only the juice. You don't need to do all the work. There is a processor doing the work instantaneously for you. Please, next slide. Now, I would like to introduce what we have called Crypto GPT. Please, next slide. With Crypto GPT, what you are getting, you are literally getting AI-powered bots, as you can read, which they actually make trading easy, even for the people that are not used to trade. We have created some strategies, and later I will show also some results. We have created strategies that you can copy. These strategies, which are AI-powered, so AI-based. One strategy, we call it bulls. because it's a simple pair BTC USDT, okay? And it's a line long short, where that's why bulls, where basically AI, according to market sentiment and all kind of analytics that will take a PhD in mathematics and finance to extrapolate. You should know social engineering, you should know so many things, and you should have so much time and so many people working for you to collect all this information and work this big amount of data. AI does constantly, 40 giga per second, and these will allow to understand what is the market sentiment, what are the narratives that actually are driving the market currently, any point of time. In fact, when I will show you result, I will not show you result of a bull run. I will not show you results of investing on leverage on shitcoins. I will show you what we have done on a BTC to USDT pair last year. And please, next slide. I mean, I get carried away, I know, because I really wanted to bring this to the world. And these trading results that we can see in next slides, for me, are amazing. Please. Now, I know the slide is a little smaller, but if you bear with me, you can go on left, but let's say the fourth line of numbers you can see is the amount invested. Exactly. It's $1 million. We decided to put $1 million to invest. And as you can see, looking at the graph is showing a steep curve, and you can see the date of the investments, which is October 2022, and the total amount, how much was, if I can see it correctly, sorry, I'm blind. It's basically a 5K less than $1 million. And then you can see today date, exactly tonight at midnight. So yesterday and today at midnight, and how much is the result. This is simply our basic strategy of USDT and BTC pair. These are the kind of returns that the AI-powered algorithm has generated. And we have also other strategies as well. Our second strategy that I will also speak about it later, it's called the HODL, and it's more of a long-term strategy because you will see the rewards, let's say, bull cycle after bull cycle, and not necessarily in 4-year cycles, like halving cycles, talking in Bitcoin language. Now, obviously, what I would like to convey here as a message. The message is, this is trading made simple. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to be crypto savvy. You don't need to have a single minute of trading experience. Of course, we have a full academy. I told you, this is a learning platform. But at the same time, if you decide that, yes, these algorithms are showing nice results, we want to follow these algorithms, you can simply decide to copy that strategy and go according to your risk preference. So, guys, I wanted to show you these results because how many people have already presented previously in the world copy trading or other strategies, but for me it was important to show you the actual result of these strategies because nobody is actually AI native. AI native makes all the difference. Yes, it took us a while because we want to perfect the system. Yes, it took us a long time because we had to accumulate processors and test. But now finally we can come to you with the numbers that are undeniable. And if we can go ahead with next slide, and the beauty of it, and later on we will present also a Forex GPT, the same AI that we have now activated in the crypto world, so crypto GPT, then will be activated also for Forex trading. So stay tuned, stay with us, let's go. And please, next slide. How does it work? You might say, okay, wow, you have told us so much about the academy, about the copy trading and all this. Actually, it's very simple. Please, next slide. It works in 5 simple steps. Just open an account on app.quantwise.ai, complete your KYC in 5 minutes or less, and top up your funds in USDT. Choose your Quantwise license, whichever you prefer, whichever you feel more comfortable with, and then connect your software. End of story. That's it. That's so simple. And the next question, I know that everybody's having, please, next slide. I know that the question that everybody will have is, okay, but what are the advantages? Please, next slide. So first of all, how the platform actually earns. How do we maintain ourselves? We have a subscription, the license, and according to the kind of license that you pick, for example, you decide to select a certain algorithm. That algorithm will generate some profits. Now, that performance fees will come from the profits on monthly basis. But how? Can you please show next slide? Yes, it's something called high watermark. Basically, we are protecting your account. How? Suppose that you start with 100 and then the first month you achieve a profit of 150. And then you pay the monthly performance fee because you have achieved some profit. But maybe next month, for some reason, your account drops. Well, where is the protection? Until and unless you will not break the profit mark of 150 again, so you will not create profit on top of the 150, you will not be charged any performance fee on the profits from the bottom to whatever number until 150, until you don't recover. We are in this with you. We are bringing something to the market for the 99%. So I hope that this high mark guarantee that you can consider, it's something appealing, because basically we are tying our performance fees on your success. If you succeed, we succeed. Otherwise, so be it. I mean, we want to be successful along with you. That's why on the first point, we worked on creating something that today it's called Quantwise. Please, next slide. And as I was telling you, you will have these 2 main strategies to follow, 2 main algorithms, which will be AI powered, the bulls. So the BTC USDT line long short, as I described before, and the hodl. This is surf the wave. It literally means that every time that the sentiment is showing bullish, it's showing yes, it's the time that the market is flipping. We will be positioned to take maximum advantage of these situations in the market. It's a longer strategy, longer meaning like it's on a longer time, because it goes cycle after cycle. But in my opinion, the advantage of an AI-powered algorithm is if you try to take advantage of compound interest. You decide to put a certain amount and then generates profits, and then you make your profits make more profits. Make the profits work for you. Make the algorithm work for you. That's the way that you can say AI works for me. Many people are scared. Oh my God, AI is taking the jobs of the men. Very well. If it's taking the jobs of many men, let AI work for you then. So if AI works for you, you are happy that AI is taking a job. It's taking yours away and working for you. That is the concept. And what's the secret? Compound interest. It's what Einstein actually called the eighth wonder of the world, the compound interest. You can Google it, by the way. Please, next slide. And now the key question. You can go back. So are your funds safer? So, well, of course, because everything will be redirected through Unicapital, and Unicapital is having what is called a Binance Broker link. And thanks to Binance Broker link, your account will be generated directly under them. And then from there, you will select the strategy that you want to apply in Quantwise. So it's like a fiduciary account with a Unicapital, and we have a license with Unicapital. Unicapital is having a license with Binance. So yes, your funds are safer, and you can Google Unicapital, which is located in Dominica. You can check it out, and it's okay. But don't get it from me. Of course, I have to tell you it's okay, but you look for yourself. Please, next slide. Now, let's talk about juice. What type of packages are we talking about? Well, prices and performance fees, as you can see from this slide, are segregated into three types of licenses. And according to the subscription fee that you are going to pay, then you will pay later on a performance fee. But because we are in this phase, which is a very critical phase, is our launch, you are doing something which is first move. And whoever does a first move needs to get an advantage. So we decided only for this launch time to give actually some promotion. And what is this promotion? If we can show it, please. Yes. What was considered 39 euros, it actually will be 49 euros before, it will actually be 39. And the price lifetime can be paid with several coins and tokens. Of course, you will find more information in Xera back office according to which token. So you need to pay with these tokens equivalent for only 99 euros. But there is more actually, if we can go ahead. Yes. First, only the first 10,000 licenses that will select the lifetime, they will pay only the yearly license. So let me repeat it. For the first 10,000 users, the cost of the yearly license will actually grant them the lifetime license. I hope that the first 10,000 of you will be happy about it. And then the next slide, and a very crazy offer. It took us a while to start it and to put it up. In fact, if I have to be honest, that's the first time among all the presentations that I have done live or on Zoom, that's the first time that I'm actually presenting this offer. It's literally been studied this week. And the offer is, pay attention, in particular to the price of lifetime of the expert license, okay? we are telling that for the first and only the first 1,000 subscribers for the lifetime expert, you will get the price of the pro annual. So not the price of the expert annual, but the price of the pro annual. We are busy gifting you, so Merry Christmas, something that, and sorry if it's only 1,000, we understand that you are a lot and there is a huge demand and we are very happy, but early birds got the worm. So guys, please rush. It's also a sacrifice from our side, but we really wanted to give something, and we feel that this is the best we could have come up with. And definitely these 1,000 lucky boys or girls, men or women, they will enjoy this. So hopefully these promotions are enough for you to feel excited, aside from all the explanation of the whole project, the whole idea of Quantwise and our previous track record, by the way. And we can happily say that actually today, finally, the product is available. Today, 15th of February. And our good news is that the live launch will be coming March 2024. I don't know how much excited are you. I guarantee I am very excited. And I'm very excited for everybody that will actually join and enjoy the ride along with us. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you for having us. I felt that a much deeper presentation of Quantwise was required because you could actually see behind the curtain what's there, where is the juice, how these guys are planning to do the things that they are promising to do. And I hope that I managed giving you, like a glimpse of what's actually behind the curtain. And I look forward to seeing you all jumping on this ride along with us and for a long time. Happy trading. And thank you very much. Thank you for having us. Thank you, Werner, for the indulgence in the time allowed for this presentation. And good luck. Good luck for the rest of the presentation and my co-hosts and colleagues. Thank you.
Nicola, big thanks.
Yes.
And I think everyone understands that this software is so, how to say, I never have seen something like that before, and I have seen also a lot of things, like for sure also a lot of people in this call. So it's mind-blowing. It's all absolutely fantastic. And of course, what is just important to add, possibly in addition, so that this is clear to everyone, but through the platform, which in Keymall, what Xera is providing is a software. So it's not a trading, it's not, so this is doing the software, but it's only the software. So, and that, of course, we can be super proud. So thanks again.
The beauty,
I love it.
The beauty of it, that this software is a platform that allows you to do whatever you want with the information that provide. You can go wherever you want and use this information. We are not saying you have to do, actually, you could not do with us because we are not an exchange, we are not a trader platform. But what do? We actually have AI algorithms that users can decide to copy trade with. That they can do. It's AI generated, and whatever it's in the reports, our AI uses to actually present into trading options, and people can decide to copy that strategy or not, but they can do wherever they want and whatever other platform. For us, the key word is learning and give a real opportunity to actually work with a hedge fund at peanut prices.
Fantastic. So the real chance for the people now, if they are want to go in this trading section with this software to really succeed. So I'm very happy for everyone. I'm so thankful, Nicola. So big thank you. And so I think everyone starts latest now to understand if this product portfolio, and this is just a part of that, what Xera have to offer to the world together with Quantwise. So this is already enough to, how to say, to go so big. But there's, of course, even more than that with all the other service providers in addition. So it's just fantastic. So thanks again.
Thank you, Werner, and thank you for the time that actually you slotted to me today, and hope to see you again soon.
Latest in the evening for our second call.
Yes, I know. That's why I said it.
Great.
Thank you very much, guys. Have a good one, and happy trading.
Thank you. So now, of course, I'm again super blessed because now is joining our next speaker in this call. And I have, how to say, so much respect because he's a real professional in what he's doing to build up communities, to support them, to take care in every detail. And this is also where everyone can learn from. So, and I also learning every day since I was coming together with him first time. This is now a few months already. And I'm already listening very careful what he say, because you can feel that experience is speaking. So not some theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge, because based on experience, on own doing, on years of success. And this is, of course, supporting everyone. And so also when he is joining us now, we give him a big welcome and listen very carefully how he explained, how he say the things, because when this is given out correctly to the world, then only success can happen. There's no other way around, so I would say. So big welcome to the head of sales or global sales of the Xera community, to Diego Indrizzi. Diego, you're already with us.
Thank you, Werner. Thank you, Werner. Nice to be here together, even in this beautiful afternoon from the Xera office that become in the last months our new home. Actually, we are doing an amazing job. I'm very grateful for all the team, all the people, all the staff, and the energy of Nicole in this presentation was outstanding. You know, guys, I'm having my phone here and I'm getting messages because the people are more involved. They are understanding more and more. And actually that was our goal from day one, from the first global Zoom that we made with people, to let the people understand the power of Xera International, let the people understand exactly not just about the product and the services, tools that people can use thanks to Xera International, but of course the vision, the long-term vision that we can provide to the people all over the world. This is something extraordinary because we are, let's say, holding right now one of the most biggest community worldwide, more than 2.2 million people all over the world with a common needs. The common needs of being in a proper opportunity, that it's compliant, that it's transparent, that communicate with the people all over the world, that generate and create the tool that the people need. And of course, thanks to the combination of product inside the Xera, the people have really the advantage to make the difference in the market on a long-term vision. In the past days, I was together with, of course, a group of people visiting us here in the UAE, and they were impressed about the work that we already did for the people, no? And looking a little bit on the back, realizing the amount of work and the tools that we are creating for people, I was saying, yeah, we did it until now. We did it great. And of course, the steps that we are moving every day on are really to make sure that everyone have all the tools and everything in place to achieve success. That's why moving to the next slide, and thank you, Werner, for the introduction, we can understand how the people can actually join this journey together, becoming a user, registering to access.io. We have thousands of people connecting every single day with a single access, have, of course, access to all the platform and the product that we are providing to the community, enjoying the product, you know, and you are a user. You are using, for example, Quantwise, you are using our hybrid minting protocol, and that's it. Or you can make a step more. If we analyze the market right now, we really are offering the best opportunity in the market, not just because of course we have performing product and the best of the market, but the market condition right now have a common let's say sentiment, and the people not only can look on Xera International, but we are the opportunity that the market right now needs. So you can join the community, you can be part, of course, of probably the best compensation plan ever seen in the industry. Thanks, of course, on several ways that Xera International provide for the community. But of course, it's important also to spend some words as a disclaimer, because earnings, outcomes, and success are not guaranteed, are based on individual result. Of course, money are not growing on the trees. As much as you grow, as much as you earn. And of course, we need to also keep in consideration the market condition, as we are, of course, earning in cryptocurrency. But let's make slowly little bit a general description of the compensation plan, that it's divided actually in two parts. The first part that it's dedicated on the sales of product and services, and the second part dedicated on bonus on active hardware minting. What means that? The first part of the compensation plan, every time that in your organization someone buy a product or someone refer a product to someone else, you have the chance based on the compensation plan to have a reward. And the second part allowed you, based on your rank, to receive bonuses based on the tokens that the community all over the world, not just only for your organization, but all the global organization are, let's say, linking to the machine as a token to make the machine works, and of course also to the daily hardware minting bonuses generated all over the world based on the work of our machine. So it's something that allowed you to become also responsible of the worldwide community, because when I make bonuses based on the organization that are not part of my team, I will take care about the growth and the health of this organization. But this is something that maybe we can, of course, go through all the training that we are producing and we are creating for the community, 8 different way to receive reward. A direct bonus that allowed you to generate a bonus that it grows up to 15%, a dynamic uni-level bonus that pays you up to 15 levels with dynamic compression, a turnover rank bonus of 2% plus an extra XGI pool bonus. But of course, we have also here dedicated training for the compensation plan that we will go public for everybody. Infinity bonus as a uni-level, let's say, structure. Of course, a uni-level allowed you to earn up to 15 levels. And of course, thanks to the infinity bonus, we are able to earn infinity level STIP up to 23% based on our plan of career. So after that, a matching bonus, my favorite, the house bonus and retreat. But let's move to the next slide. And let's spend few words for the direct bonus. It's really important that when you decide to build up your community, to be an active user inside Xera International, success requires speed. Success is equal, to be fast. You need to be fast. And to, let's say, reward the people that are doing the things fast, the direct bonus allows the people who complete 5 people in the first 30 days, 5 people who choose a product inside our portfolio of product, to reach not anymore 10% direct bonus, but 15%. Of course, the 30 days start for everybody from the day that you get your back office. The day that you join the community of Xera, this is your first day. 30-day time to speak about the product, make what the product cannot do, so share with others, and immediately you can pump up your direct bonus forever. So this is really important to understand. In your first 30 days, you have the chance to qualify to have a direct bonus of 15% forever every time that you refer someone in the community, and you will be qualified forever. This is extremely important, and trust me, based on a let's say business plan that the people, when they join, it's some kind of mandatory, you know, because when you are opening a business, when you are let's say when you become an entrepreneur, it's really important that before you start, or the day that you start, you make a plan. And in this plan, you can really build up your first 5 people, achieving the 15%, of course, indirect bonus forever. And this is something that make the difference in the future. Let's make the next, please. And of course, my favorite bonus. After 15 years in this industry, I see a lot of people that when the company, let's say they move the company or they are not successful, they are just broke, okay? Because there is no financial knowledge in the people that are coming from a traditional business model. That is nothing wrong, because this is the same for everybody. But thanks to the, let's say, compensation plan of Xera International, we are helping people to build assets that allow them to build their stability. And this is one of the most important things. And the most important and beautiful part of our compensation plan is that you never lose the volume that you are creating with your team. Means, translated, that the requirement to hit this rank and to get 2.5 million euro house bonus in the UAE, you are getting a property in the UAE for a value of 2.5 million. And to hit this bonus, the volume that is necessary to hit the rank, it's 60 million commissionable points, but there is no time limit. And all the commissionable points that you are generating with your organization are cumulative. Means every day, every week, every month, you accumulate. So if you decide that you want to make it as a professional, it's just a matter of time that yes or yes, you will hit this bonus. You don't like to live in the UAE. Let's perfect. Move here for a while, come here to visit, prepare all things, prepare your contract, give out the property for rental, and you have a stable and forever income. So, I mean, this is something incredible. This is something that really, if you work with a plan, everybody can do it. Doesn't matter if you hit this rank in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. It's cumulative. If you want, if you decide, you can do it. Okay. Let's move to the next one. And of course, let's spend some word about the bonus and hardware minting production. This is actually something that it's not just about a reward that we get. It's not just about that. It's about, of course, of a responsibility. I love to talk about responsibility because the word leadership in the past few years was a little bit overused. I mean, it's not a matter of turnover. It's not a matter of how many people you are developing in your team that define your leadership. Defining your leadership means the level of responsibility that you have for your project and for the people that you involve. So, I mean, let's move to the next. Every time we understand easily that inside KMO, you have the chance to buy your hardware, okay? You can decide to buy your hardware in the cloud, or you can decide to buy your hardware physical. One time that you buy your hardware, because this is what we are doing, we are promoting hardware and software. The client it's able to go in a public exchange, buy the token that it's necessary, or better, the gasoline for our machine. You put your token, you link the token together with your machine, and from the day after, the work that the machine are producing give you a reward, okay, based, of course, on mathematics, algorithms, and rules that you can understand easily. But the point is that these rewards are regarding what the people out there autonomously, they go and they take and they deposit, they link to the machine, and what the machines are producing as a bonus. So you have the chance to hit Executive Pro in your first 90 days. I like to describe this first Executive Pro pool as a fast start bonus, because when you hit in your first 90 days, you can get a pool based on the daily rewards of the machines all over the world, even if they are not in your organization. Then, of course, we start to talking about the real pools, the pools that allowed you to create your, I don't want to use that word, but let's say you can earn from all the community in the world. Okay, senior ambassador pool, you are generating bonuses based on the deposit in the machine and what the machine are generating as a bonus. Chief ambassador, again, another pool that start to be cumulative together with the senior ambassador pool and general ambassador pool. These three together allowed you to receive bonuses up to 700,000 EUR every quarter. This is something incredible. This is something really, really huge. And of course, going through the vision of Xera, following all the leadership, the corporate team, we understand that for the next few months and year, we will have an exponential growth. And that means that every single quarter, all the pools will constantly grow. This is something really that hit me the first time, that when I clearly understand this, I was like hit. I said, this is something very, very, very powerful for the community. But let's go next, please. And let's spend just 3 seconds for the part of the retreat. Of course, you are joining a referral company, you are promoting, you have a plan of career. And of course, if you perform in the right way, you have the chance to win and to be part of beautiful retreat all over the world with outstanding hotel, crazy location. But let me tell you something. Being part of a retreat is not just a reward for you. Being part of a retreat, it's show others that it's achievable. So again, here, it's a matter of responsibility for your community. Responsibility to go there, being with the best, have the chance to share and spend time together with the top player in the industry, with the famous crème de la crème, okay? Stay connected also with the corporate. Take all the information, news, update, but yes, of course, live extraordinary experience, because until we don't have others' confirmation, we are here once, no? And we need to make sure to live the life as supposed to be lived. I mean, we are really capable to do something extraordinary, and celebrating and be part of this magnificent retreat is a consequence, and yes, a consequence of our success. And being part of this retreat allowed us to reflect success on others, because if you hit this, if you are there, your community that didn't hit it will ask you how it was it, and you can share experience, you can share the video, you can say to them, I was there. Let's make a plan together to make sure next time you are with me. So it's not a matter of you will be in the next retreat, it's a matter with how many people of your organization you will participate to the next outstanding retreat. So Werner, please, let's move next.
Diego, great. Yeah, also, of course, also Diego, you have explained it so fantastic, and I just can to underline, and this is also the how to say the magic of this industry, that everyone who is willing to do what is to do, so to build up, to support others, to help others on the way, and of course to learn step by step how it's to do, what it takes to make it happen. So that basically everyone, not depends on the current situation, can reach financial sovereignty and can reach financial freedom. And this compensation plan, like it was also stated at the beginning of your presentation, is probably the best compensation plan ever seen in the whole industry. I've seen a lot of compensation plans, but this is something what I not have experienced until Xera this way. So I love like this is made. So everyone have the chance to do it. So it's just to do. So this is the great news. Huh? So of course, yeah.
Sorry, Werner. I just want to say, you know, the level of the information without any doubts a lot, you know, and sometimes people say, I want to understand this, I want to understand this. Before starting, I need to understand the full compensation plan. You know, there is one of our leaders, our mentor in our organization. He's a Spanish guy, is really good profile, a good leader in the industry since many years. He read books and everything. He say always, you know, you cannot be stopped by the paralysis of the analysis. You start to act. Things happen when you make actions. For all your analysis, we have everything for the community on our Gitbook, wiki.xera.pro. The people can spend all the night shutting down the television because this is garbage, and start reading something that can improve our lives, because everything is written there.
Fantastic, fantastic. So, and we, of course, all together want to empower the people so that they can create their own future. And for that reason, of course, and we also have addressed that already in our last global call, we will start with massive kick-off promotions, so mega promotions. And those people who understand that, they also know when it's the time to do the things, it's now. So it's now. So because the best moment in life to do something is all the time now. It's not in the future somewhere. So, and this is also one of the keys what people, how to say, understand very well, which are very successful in their life, to do the right things to the right time is one of the big keys to create massive success. So in this time is now, and this starts, of course, with these enormous promotions. We have seen it before already from Nicola when we talk about Quantwise. So Quantwise available from today. So today is the 15th of February 2024, and we have seen it before. So that means the first 1,000. They even have a unbelievable kickoff promotion. So that means this what is here normally stated with 5,997, the expert version. So they are getting that for 1,497. So that means unbelievable. And in addition, the possibility to pay the lifetime version with different coins and tokens, what of course you see in the Xera back office. And then of course for the next 9,000, there is also an enormous promotion on top. So make clear that you're one of this first 1,000 or one of these first 10,000 to have this additional advantage. So when you say, I like it, I love it, I would not wait 1 second in the moment where this goes live today with Keymall together, because how to say, this will go like that, and then it's already happened. So this mega promotion will we will not have long time, because thousands over thousands of people are waiting already that this is happening. So, and the second one that we have heard already today, to the celebration of the opening of Keymall. So the membership, €39, inclusive, of course, the KYC and this free license on top. And with this free license, what we've heard before, it's just for the first 10,000 which are doing that. They have then, of course, also the possibility, like Diego have explained it, to buy this base token CLFI on the exchanges, like you see it here, lock it to the license, to the machine, and enjoy minting rewards. So it's not just a free incentive, it's also the minting rewards, what you can make out of that by linking the purchased tokens which you've purchased before on the markets. So mega incentives to start, mega product incentives to the start. And in addition, of course, there is something more. And this is a 90-day call to action. So possibly I've heard this sentence already, and I think it's true because I have seen that a few times in my life. In 90 days, you can change your life. It's really like that. Of course, you cannot go from here to unlimited in 90 days, but what you can do is you can set up the foundation in 90 days that everything is changing to the better. This is possible in 90 days. And this requires to be very focused, to not look left and right and this and this and this, to stay very, very focused. And when this is the case, and you give your very, very best, nothing less, then the magic can happen. And how to say, to give your very, very best. So just think about, or think back in your own life. Of course, a lot of people do try all the time to do it on a good way, on a, don't know how you should describe the best, but to give your very best, your very, very best and nothing less. This creates, that's what the most people wish for, the foundation to go so big, like the most people cannot even dream about it. But it needs the very best, not something good or do something, no, the very, very best. And for that reason, Diego?
No, you remind me some kind of sentences that for me make a huge difference in life. it's really important, no distraction, focus 90-day, but this is the hardest part, right? This is the hardest part, not the business, not sponsoring people, not understanding how the machine, Quantwise, no, this is very easy. The most difficult part is when you need to move yourself out of the comfort zone. And one sentence helps me really a lot to make a change, a click, okay, in my brain. And this sentence was, describe me, your top mentor. So you need to describe me which kind of peculiarity and things need to have the people that you want to follow, your mentor, your leader. Okay, and everybody was saying, you know, I want that he's secure, that he's not generating excuse, that it's hardworking, that the bid, and they add a lot of beautiful things, no? And at the end of this, let's say 5 to 6 minutes that the people were adding things, beautiful things, the person on stage was saying, so you are telling me that if I find a person that have this personality and this profile, so that it's always on time, that he can be good in the explanation, that he's secure, that look, and tack, you will be able to follow. Of course, this is a top leader. So if you want to be successful, you need to become this person. You need to be what you exactly say that. Because tell me otherwise how others can follow you if you are the first one who are generating excuse. And the first 90 days, as Werner said, is the most important thing ever. Doesn't matter if you don't understand all the details. There is no better school that and better training that practice. Start doing it today, because yes, in 90 days, you can completely change your life. Completely. Sorry, Werner, to interrupt you.
No, great. And of course, when we're talking about building up the community and of course, be successful in this industry, income disclaimer have to be in place because it's related to their own doing. It's their own activity. Yeah? How you strong support your people, yeah? That also they can grow. So it's basically very, very simple, but it have to be done. Yeah? So, and like Diego have explained us, 8 different income streams out of the compensation plan, super strong. And so basically also nothing complicated. And basically everything is coming on the way. No? When someone is doing it, it's happening. No? So this is basically the most easiest way to say how it works. So, and to the start, and I'm super happy and thankful because also for those people who want to reach something big, is starting a massive incentive, Go Executive Pro in 90 days. And Executive Pro, just to explain it, this is not a high level. This is something, how to say, it's basically still a starter level, but for reaching that in 90 days, everyone here will get rewarded like I never have seen that before somewhere else. So that means there are different possibilities. Do it in 30 days and 60 days and 90 days. And in addition, you're getting additionally rewarded. So that means this should be your kickstarts to support you in these 90 days. And then you are succeeds and you reach Executive Pro in 90 days. Then you're getting to something invited, where I just can say, not miss it, not miss it. So, you know that modeling of excellence is one of the most simplest strategies in life to get success. So that means you see someone who have success. If you copy what he is doing, and of course you have your own personality, this is clear, so you cannot do everything 100% the same, but from the strategy, from the doing, if you copy that, you will reach a very similar level of success. So in those people which are going to Executive Pro in the next 90 days, will get invited to Dubai, will have an exceptional training of people which have created in their life a level of success where the most people just can dream about it. So trained by them directly is a gift, because this you will never forget. The strategies afterwards you will never forget. It will stay with you, and it will change your thinking, possibly how you behave, how you do when you move something. So this is have an influence not just on the business level, also on a private level. So for that reason, not miss it, because it's just so spectacular. So just to give you a basic idea, when you say everything clear, I've understood Xera, what they have prepared, what they've put it together, the service providers, Quantwise, what they've seen today, but there's so much more. Also with this exceptional hardware product, software, blockchain driven, also smartphones, also unbelievable. So, and when you say, okay, clear, everything clear, so how you could start, and this is just how to say, to give you an idea, to give you concepts, how you could set the foundation of your legacy within the next 90 days. You start, you make a clear decision, and of course, in the first 30 days, because we also have seen that in the direct bonus, 5 people who go the way with you, of course, can be users, which are just using the products by themselves. But of course, when you want to build up, it's a good idea to speak with people. They also want to build up. So to create your core team, the core team. In this core team, of course, you should support that they can do the same like you. So in the second month, you do exactly the same again. You are building up together, and you bring to your core team in addition 5 people, which you support, and you also support them, and they can support your people because they have learned it from you how it works. Of course, also supported by all these tools what Xera is providing together, of course, with the country managers to lead you, to provide service, support on the way. And during that, you will unlock one income stream in the compensation plan after another. So you will unlock from 10 to 15% forever. So one-time chance, forever in the direct bonus. You will unlock when you just do this first thing, what we see here, the unit level to certain levels down. You will earn the first turnover rank bonuses. And of course, in the next step, you will unlock infinity, which goes up to unbelievable 23%. But you will unlock, when you unlock first, up to 5% in addition from all the product sales, which is happening in your community. And of course, you will hit the next turnover rank bonuses. So it's basically very simple. It's just based on activity and how much you care on others. If you care a lot on their success, it's happening.
Allow me to add just few words on that. Just imagine how you will act. How is your, let's say, level of confidence if you know 100% sure that you cannot fail? So being to Dubai, participating on the mastermind that forged your leadership is not just a matter to say, wow, I can be in Dubai, the city of, where everything is happening, No, it's not about this. It's not even that you are traveling, you have the chance to be invited on a business ticket. And trust me, traveling in ticket make a huge difference, okay? Is that you will touch the corporate. You will walk in the offices. And when I'm talking about offices, I'm talking not just about this beautiful office of Xera community, that it's really huge and it's powerful and give you the feeling that something big, it's really happening here. But you have the chance to visit, for example, also the Layerk office, see the product, touch the product, try the product, have a training with all the people that are leading all this from the top earner of the company. So the level of confidence and trust that you will build in yourself When you go back, it's something that creates like a shell outside you that nobody can stop, because trust me, in this industry, building up your shell, it's really important. Building us the level of trust and confidence is extremely important, because the first people who will try to take you down are the people that are close to you. Because the only thing that the people cannot forgive you, it's your success. So guys, these are really a lifetime opportunity, because based on my experience, everything started to change in my life when I was in my first event. And it was not an event on this level. It was a normal event, but everything really started to grow like crazy. So you have the chance to really have a kick start of your new life, being an executive pro in the next 90 days. And trust me, it's easy. Trust me, it's easy. If you are hungry enough, if you have enough vision to understand that this can be really the opportunity that changes everything, you can be in. You can be in very easy, because it's just a matter of where you want to be. Thank you, Werner, and sorry.
Fantastic. So that means when you're doing it in 90 days, you have, of course, a first-class hotel in Dubai, when you are part of this spectacular training, and you will fly economy class, so provided by Xera. Yeah? So if you do it in 60 days, you will enjoy also, of course, accommodation in a first-class hotel, but you will fly business class. Unbelievable. And just like said before, this is not a high level. It's not a high rank in the compensation plan, but you will fly business class. You will enjoy business class. And of course, business class is something different than economy class, very different. So because you deserve it, when you are doing that in this time frame, then we know that together with you, with all the others, which are showing that they are really ready to make it happen, that so we can work close together. So we want to reward you on all sides possible, because together then we make it happen. And then doing it in 30 days, of course, first class hotel, you also will fly business class. And in addition, you will get the very, very special VIP treatments. So to really feel what how it feels to change the life completely to another level. So, and of course, to reach that, there are specific rules in place. So that means today when Keynote starts, then of course also the incentive starts. So that means 15th of February. And when you're reaching until May 15, 2024, the rank of Executive Pro means 60,000 ZP. After, of course, the calculation of the 50% rule, then you're already on the way to Dubai, to this special training. And in addition, of course, to fulfill all the criteria, when you purchase a hardware, you will receive 1 NFT for every 100 euro purchase of hardware. So that means the NFT is considered active the moment 100 euro of CLFI is linked with the hardware. So in addition to that, what is, fixed in the compensation plan, in addition to 60,000 CP to reach the incentive, your structure needs to have 600 active NFTs, so CLFI or NFT project. So that means to have these products and also, of course, go on the exchanges, buy this token, link it to the license, link it to the machine, link it to the hardware. And in this combination, you are able to go to Dubai to this mastermind training. Because what we also want to do in this incentive, of course, to create this learning process, how easy that is. So you just have to do it one time. Your people just have to do it one time, and then you know. In the moment you know, you know. Super, super simple, super easy. And this, of course, are the levels and rules, because it have to be fair for everyone. Because when you are having already a huge team, a huge organization, to reach this level of Executive Pro will take you, I don't know, 30 seconds. So because you have possibly hundreds of thousands of people in your existing community. So, and everyone should lead by example. So not depends on which level, on which rank someone is. For that reason, here, the definition, how it works, if your rank is less than associates, you need to reach the rank of Executive Pro and have a total 60,000 CP in the coming 3 months. Of course, all the time with the 50% rule. If your rank is more than associates, but less than Executive Pro, you need to qualify as Executive Pro and have a total 60,000 CP in the coming 3 months. If your rank is less than Premier Pro, you need to have 60,000 CP in the coming 3 months. And if you already have a high level, a high rank, if your rank is more than Premier Pro, you need to have 60,000 CP from new distribution lines. So that means you show again how to build up new lines and new people and support them and make the best for them happening. So, and when this is done, of course, with the combination of the NFTs so that the tokens are locked to the machine, because this is also then showing everyone out there how easy that works and how easy it is basically with this hybrid minting protocol to receive minting rewards. Then you have reached it and you are part of this spectacular training, this master mind training in Dubai. So not miss it out. And now, of course, I have the pleasure to give over to the final speaker of this call. And I really have to say, since I've seen him first time, as I was in the first seconds impressed, because you see how he speaks, how he behaves, and everything what he is doing, his experience. And we just all can be thankful that he is on board, because this level of experience, possibly, I think I never have seen that before. And this, of course, have also to do with the centuries where he's working already in this industry, super successful on the highest level. And of course, also, and this is very unique, that I think he also will say it, that he was trained personally by, how to say, the legends of the industry itself, the #1 of the industry itself. And only very less people can say that about themselves. And this legend, of course, was Dexter Yeager. Possibly someone have heard this name. And he was trained personally by him. So you can assume how much experience, how much knowledge, how much power. Also, when we talk about strategy, how much things he bring with him. Unbelievable. And he is the visionary officer of the Xera community. So a big, big welcome to Gorka Bukes.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you. I'm so excited, Bernard. I'm so excited that you can believe it. You know, we have been working so hard, as you, Diego, everybody knows, we have been working so hard to get to today. It's amazing, no? How after working so hard, so many months, you get to a day that is the starting day, guys. Today, we are going to make history, and you are going to make history with your family. And that's very important. So thank you, Werner. Thank you to Gianluca, I'm sorry, to Diego, to Nicola, to Erwin, to Alessio, to Michele, to my dear Hank, to everybody. Thank you, because it's an honor to work with you every day, guys. I'm learning from you every day, and that's the most important thing in life. Keep learning, okay? Be humble and keep learning from other people. And do you know that there is hundreds of people behind us? It's not only the people that you see in these screens. There is hundreds, and when I say hundreds, it's hundreds of people working with us for this project. And today is going to be famous, the day that we launch Kmark, that we talk about Quantwise, that we launch all these things together, and you have the opportunity today, 15. Don't wait until the 16th, the 17th. 16 is tomorrow. And you need to change your life today. And that's very important, because action is the only thing that determines your success in life. If you see books of history, I love to read. And when I read from books, I always see one thing. The history is not made by the people who plan. History is made by the people who take action. So right now, you need to take action. If you are new in this conference, don't worry, my friend. We are going to help you. We are going to help you, and your leaders are going to help you. Your sponsor line are going to help you, because we are here to change lives. I was just in Croatia the other day. There was a beautiful event that there was people from all around, from Estonia, from Bosnia, from Serbia, from North Macedonia, from Bulgaria, from where else? From Greece, from Germany, from Latvia, from Netherlands, Norway. It was a beautiful event that we did in Croatia. And somebody asked me, what is Xera? Xera, we got our own dream. And our dream is to change people's lives. And we are going to do it. And you are going to be why. You should know why, but you are the first one. And today you have to, even if you don't understand, say to yourself, talk to yourself at the mirror and say, today is my day. Today I'm going to start changing my life. And I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it with the help of the community, because we are a community, not because we are a lot of people. We are a community because we are going to help each other to achieve our dreams, to achieve different things in life. We are a community that we are here to change life, and not only one, to educate us, to educate everybody in the future, because the future is here, guys. The future is here, and you got the chance to start a new life, new challenges with all your sponsor lines. So follow your leaders and don't doubt about what your leader said to you. Got faith. Faith is the most important thing for success. Get excited, and even if you don't understand, you have to understand three things. Very simple. Keep it simple, because that's the most important thing in this industry. You keep it simple, will be millions of people who follow you. Right now, we got thousands of people in this call. We are blessed, guys. Thousands of people. I've been in the industry for 35 years, and I never saw a project that got so many people together when they launch. It's amazing. We are blessed. And you are blessed because you are in this project with us. So you have to get your goals and start working. I know that last week we got thousands of people in different Zoom calls around the world. When they told me what is Xera? Xera is a community that never sleeps, because there's always somebody sharing with somebody else the dream that is possible to change your life, that so many people is going to change their life in the next 1, 2, or 3 years. That is going to be amazing, because you deserve it. And you have to be part of this community because of that. So we are here to help you guys. Somebody's going to be helping you. So you need to do three things. You have to register yourself, pay the $39, 39 euros, I'm sorry, and register yourself. Talk to your sponsor and say, I need CLFIs, okay? Write it down, CLFI. Talk to your sponsor and say, how can I get those? Okay, so you can start building your future, okay? That's simple. You register, you talk to your sponsor, and you say, how I can get those famous CLFIs. He's going to tell you, and he's going to coach you how to do it. And if you can, call us, because we will help you to do it, okay? And third, start talking to everybody. That's simple. And let me tell you something, guys. Diego was saying, and Diego is one of the most respectful leaders in the industry, not in this community, in the industry. And he was saying something very important. This retreat that we are going to do in Dubai is going to change people's lives. And it's going to change your life. And it's so easy to qualify. It's so easy because you only need 60,000 points. Don't worry if you don't understand, okay? Talk to your sponsor line and say, be humble and say, how I do it. Give me instructions. You know, my father used to say that people who follow instructions, he's never wrong. So follow instructions. Follow the people who know how to do it. There is a lot of people here that we are interested in helping you grow your business. So be happy. Don't be afraid, because the only thing that is going to change your life if you take action. And today is the day. Today is the day that all of us were waiting for. So guys, today you have to start moving forward your teams. We are going to have a call at 10 o'clock p.m. Dubai, and all of us are going to be there helping you guys, and we are going to present the same thing. If you got some friends that you know they will love this project, call them. Call them. Call everybody. But Gorka, I got a problem because I'm in a country that at 10 o'clock in Dubai is going to be 4 o'clock at night in my country. It doesn't matter. When there is a project and change your life, it doesn't matter the time. You should call your friends and say, okay, wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning because you have to get into this Zoom call. Action, promotion. Dexter used to always show me the same thing. Promote, talk to people about it, because there is a lot of people that needs to hear about this. And sometimes we prejudge people and we say, well, no, this is not going to be interested, or the other one is not going to be interested. Everybody's interested, guys. because the financials around the world are going to change so much the next 2 years that if you don't take action right now, there's going to be so many people in problems in the next few years. And I say it from the positive side, because you got a project here that you can take it as yours and make it happen. So guys, we're so excited to be here at this moment and with this community that we're going to change the world. We are going to change the world, and we are so sure about that. But the first thing that we need, as they said, is called to action. Take action in your life, guys. Take action and make it happen, because that's what is going to change your life. And thank you for being here. Thank you for spending with us 2 hours today, or 1 hour 50 minutes. Thank you for being here. But invite more people to the other call. 10 o'clock, Dubai time. Keep inviting people, because maybe we can explain to your friends how the project works, and they will be as excited as you. So guys, it was a pleasure to be with you. I just want to tell you a short message. We are growing as a company. We're growing in everywhere. It's amazing. Thanks God, we are doing that. And excited about all the things and all the events that we are putting together around the world, guys. So you're going to see very soon a very strong calendar of events that we're going to have all around the world. And we hope to see you there, because all of us are going to be traveling to those events to help you build the business. So anything else from here, guys? Hope you got all the success that you deserve in your life. Thank you, Werner. Back to you.
Gorka, big thanks. Big thanks. And so I think it was getting clear for everyone that how the things are set up, and with Gorka, of course, and this experience and all those other people. So we will do it. We will make it happen together, and we will go to number one. Yeah? We will make it happen. Yeah? So we will work day and night to make it happen. And when you want to be part of this train to go to number one, then everyone, of course, in this call and all those people which will join us in this next weeks, months, and years are very warm welcomed and invited to go this way with us together. Yeah? So the next Zoom call, like Gorka have said, it's at 10 p.m. Dubai time today. So use the time, invite people, let them see from what we are talking about, let them decide for themselves, because this could be the biggest chance in their life what they ever get. If you don't say them, possibly they miss it. So make it happen. And of course, the next big Zoom call, beside this one, which we have in the evening, is on the 28th of February, 2024. Stay tuned, because like promised in the last Zoom call, it will go step by step. Boom, 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 boom. Prepared. And so people will get so excited, and the excitement level will increase step by step, like you never, ever have seen that before. So of course, to be informed all the time, get part, of course, of the Telegram channel of Xera. Do not miss out anything. So I say thanks again to all the speakers of this call. It was fantastic. To all the participants, thanks that you was with us. And hopefully we see us tonight at 10 p.m. Dubai time already again. And use this possibility to invite people, because they also should have a look. What is Xera, what is all about, and how they could change their life to the better. So all the best, and see us soon again.
What we are witnessing in this day is a paradigm shift. To offer the best, you need to put the best together. A unique place where you can find passion and competence. Take dozens of communities of professionals and put together with best-in-class products and services. Blockchain, tokenization, real estate, sport, aviation, AI, e-learning, hardware, and more. Mold everything together, and you will get a new entity where opportunity and growth draw a single line directly pointing to the future. Thousands and thousands of people already made the bold move They joined Xera. What are you waiting for?